Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to change a video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. Just tap on the video, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Now we can take a look at this option bar at the top, and right here on the right we've got the resolution, so just tap on it, and in this device we've got 4 different options, so 1080p. And the difference is in frames per second. Here we've got 60 and 30, 720p and 2K. So all you need to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll pick 2K. Tap on it, and if you can see that the icon changed, it means that the resolution has been set, and from now on your device will use it whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.